The DDM dashboard displays a range of real-time system-related information, including status cards for domains, services, and recent activity. The Alerts section displays notifications about important system events, which can be dismissed after reading. You can filter the dashboard to show only specific alert types or the status of specific domains. DDM also includes a detailed audit log, which is a time-stamped, searchable list of DDM user events. Collapse and expand domain cards to show less or more information about the domain's status. Status is indicated with green, amber, and red LED icons. Use the Domains filter to show only specific domain cards in the dashboard. The Alerts section displays important system events. Click the X icon to dismiss individual alerts, or the Clear All button to dismiss all alerts. Alerts are also identified by notifications in the main menu. Click Customize Dashboard to edit your own dashboard view. This does not affect any other user's dashboards. Drag and drop widgets to move them around, or use the Add and Remove buttons to change the displayed widget set. To see a detailed activity log, click the View Audit Log button in the Activity panel. The audit log is a time-stamped, searchable list of DDM user events. Dante device and network events can be viewed in Dante Controller. Click the Search field to search for specific text and event details. Use the checkboxes to case match your search string and to match for whole words only. Delete the text to clear the text search. You can also apply stackable filters to the audit log to see only events of specific types, or events relating only to specific domains, devices, or users. To add a filter, click the Add Filter button. Select a parameter for the filter. For this example, we'll choose Domain Name. Select the operator for the filter. Click the drop-down menu to select or enter the criteria for the filter. You can provide multiple criteria for each filter. The log will be filtered to display only those entries that match the filter. To add another filter, click Add Filter again. The log will be filtered to display entries that match all filters. You can add up to 10 filters at a time. You can also access the audit log from the main menu.